What's happening, guys? Today I'm going to show you that the most important thing you can work on for your hand speed is to work on flam builders, flam combinations, and that's what this whole lesson is all about. So let's get straight to it. We're going to start with something very, very simple, which is just to play alternating flams or different flams through different stickings. So for example, let's take singles. Right, left, right, left. Now we're going to turn each of them into flams. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Sounds simple? That's cool. Bit faster, so let's get it harder. Now what we're now going to do is jump around with some different stickings. So what about if we did doubles? Well, that would be right, right, left, left, and that would be right flam, left flam, left. Same thing could be applied to paradiddles. Right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. Flam, 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 flam. Now, if you're looking for stickings to try this out with, I recommend you do it with the first 13 from stick control. So that is going to be singles right lead, singles left lead, doubles right and left, all the paradiddles, and a couple of different variations of one hand and then 3 of the other. So I'll just run through the first 8. I'll put the notation on the screen. Here we go. Messed up there. Paradiddle. Right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. Right, left, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, right, left, right. Right, left, right, left, left, right, left. Okay, so the second little builder that we can try today is going to be right, left, right, right, paradiddle. And on that first note of the right, right, we're going to put a flam. Right, left, right, right. I believe this is called a windmill, but it could also be called a flam mill or a choo-choo. I don't know. It's got a cool name. It feels nice. We're going to do 2 of them. So right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left, followed by 4 flam taps, which if you don't know, are basically just doubles. Right, right, left, left. Accent the first note. Right, right, left, left. And then turn them into flams. Sounds awesome. So that put together sounds like this. A little bit faster. And what I might do is I might actually do 3 bars of those flam mills, followed by that 1 bar of the flam taps, which gives you this. Little cheeky extra note there. Okay, so along those similar lines, our third exercise is going to use a flam tap, but now it's going to use either a flam accent or a Swiss triplet, and I'll explain in a minute. Now, a flam accent is just alternating hands, right, left, left, right, left, as triplet, so it'll be 1 triplet, 2 triplet, not 1 Anna, 2 Anna, don't do that. Accent the first note, 1 triplet, 2 triplet, and then turn that accent into a flam. Now, if we did 2 of them, plus 1 flam tap, we get this cool 3-3-2 rhythm. But the flam tap is going to flip us onto our other hand. Okay, now if we do that same exercise but with Swiss triplets, it feels different to play. You can probably play it a wee bit faster, or at least I can, but your hands will be challenged in different ways. So instead of flam accent, we're going to get Swiss triplet, which is just right, right, left, accent the first right, 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 left, turn it into a flam. Cheeky. So that's some flam builders you can work on. But if you do want to work on your hands a little bit more, check out this video all about paradiddles, where I show you exactly the reason why paradiddles are the most important rudiment any drummer should practice. Check it out right here. Cool. Now B-roll time. Got some B-roll time. It's time for B-roll time.